Hello everyone, for today's videos I'm taking the artery fan and I will show the component of the fan. So in this video we are showing about the main function and the main component of the fan as I list it below here. So you can see it around the fan. Okay, let's see here the front view of the fan. The front view we can see is for the front view we can see the front guard, it is safety grill and the fan blades and the central half. Okay, you can see number 5, it is the speed control. It has 3 speeds and we show you about the base stand and the power cable plies. And at the right side, it is the side we use. We scale the dimension. It is a small fan. Yeah, this is the right side. It is. You can see it sounds like this. It is a small fan that we can use only a few, 1 or 2, 3 people to take comfort. Okay, let's go and see the parts. So this is we break down and see. You can see inside the component inside. It has a several parts. We break it down so you can see in the details. And this point, it is the electrical diagram. It talks about the speed of the fan. Okay, thanks for watching video. So this is we just seeing the home fan.